Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a medkit and a safe cover point nearby. Immediately move behind solid cover and crouch, or go prone to reduce interruption risk. Once done, open your inventory or press the medkit hotkey to begin healing. You perform this now because medkits restore full health. Make sure to stop any sprinting to avoid canceling the animation. This early action prevents later clutch failures and sets you up for the next phase. You must execute the medkit heal reliably by staying motionless and committed to the animation. Start the medkit use, watch the progress bar, and listen for the audio cue that confirms completion. This matters because enemy footsteps and gunfire can interrupt you. Once the animation nears end, scan the approach routes to anticipate pushes. If a firefight resumes, canceling saves time but wastes the medkit, so make sure to create a 7 to 10 second buffer. Complete the process by re-equipping your primary weapon and moving to a new position immediately. You avoid predictable follow-up fire this way. Once done, use smoke or soft peeks to mask your reposition if the area is contested. If things go wrong and you get interrupted, stay calm. Break line of sight, drop back to heal with a bandage or first aid, and consider moving behind better cover. This troubleshooting tip saves your life when a medkit heal is cut short mid-animation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.